This is going to be a little bit of a different topic, but sometimes, we want to think of healthcare and providers and, the services they offer and the great things that they do. But sometimes we got to think about the ramifications of the things that they do well and how it affects our community at large. Now, in this story, we're talking about telehealth, but we're talking about telehealth as it relates to parking spots and the handicap parking tags. Unfortunately, sometimes some people, some patients get handicap badges and they're not necessarily handicapped. That might not seem like a big deal if you're an able bodied person, right? You get a tag, you park in the spot, but then we don't think about the ramifications of that to a disabled person and their inability to park in one of these parking spots because the parking spot is gone. Well, in Hartford, Connecticut, there are several disabled people who are advocating for providers to not allow telehealth visits to be used to give these handicapped parking spots because there's a thought that some patients are faking their disability, faking their limbs, faking their ability to walk or move or their pain in order to get access to these parking tags and then get the parking spots. Again, for us, for able bodied people, it's not that big of a deal. But thinking about how this might affect the quality of life of a disabled person, sometimes it kind of bypasses our own thought. If you found value in this video, you'll find more value with meeting with us and our team to help you strategize your legal complex issue and resolve your issue. Reach out to us at dorismeet.com. Now, telehealth is a great thing that providers are offering to their patients. But this is where, it can get into the abuse stand. And I don't blame providers because providers don't know how a patient feels. There's even in person, you can't understand someone's pain, even if you do that chart that has the smiley faces. But it's a lot easier to fake a disability on the computer, or better yet, on the phone. As this idea is advocated by these disabled individuals in Hartford, Connecticut, it's something for providers across the country to think about the actions that you're doing and how you're giving these badges to seemingly healthy people and what the ramifications of that means. And, providers are great. They're always trying to give their patients the best care and give them the better quality of life. But again, what does that mean for everybody else? DorisMeet.com. We'd love to help you with policies and procedures related to your business and how you can be a better provider and have a better healthcare practice. Take care.